Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm gonna be guiding you on how you can link your card into your crypto.com. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorials, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then let's get started. First thing first, you have to log in into your crypto.com, and once you're logged into your account, on the home page you have to tap on transfer in the top right corner, and as you tap on the transfer icon, there's a drop down menu. So right over here, what you need to do is you have to tap on buy. So right on this page, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, and once you're done selecting your cryptocurrency, next interface you can see right at the bottom there is an option as add credit card or debit card. Just tap on it, and as you tap on it, next interface you'll be asked to provide the detail about your credit card or your debit card. So you have to enter all of these information. That includes entering your card number, expiry date, and then your CVV number, first and the last name that is on your card. And once you're done entering all of these information, tap on add card. So sometimes you might face this kind of issue, so what you have to do is you have to wait patiently for a couple of hours, and after that try again to link your card, and then you might be able to add a card. In case if this does not work, then you can simply contact the customer service and then you can report the issue. You can see right at the bottom that I've already added or linked my card into crypto.com. So that is how you can link or add card to your crypto.com. So that was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.